Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe, and today I just want to tell you about coronavirus. As we all know, this pandemic is separating so rapidly in all over the world, and it started from meat market Wuhan in China in December, and there are a lot of people have been died due to of this epidemic, and million of people are grief of it, and the whole world are trying to overcome at this disease, and Chinese people are strong enough at this disease, but scientists has not yet found any cure for this disease. And I just want to say you don't lose of their faith. Many people feel panic, they don't know what to do in this condition, so don't forget to pray for who lost their life due to of this epidemic, and we should pray for all person and that is suffering by any kind of disease. And I want to say you the most important thing is that stay away from rumors, and as we all know, condition is very critical about this pandemic, and a number of cases is increasing day by day in our India, and that's why we all have an important role to play against of this epidemic. Chinese scientists find out that coronavirus can stay alive in human till few weeks. As we all know, Saeed Afridi has been infected from this pandemic, and he was saying, I have been feeling unwell since Thursday, and my body had aching. So I just want to say all people pray for him, and when everyone was quarantined, that time this person is doing help to needy people. So nothing to worry about this. We all are with you, our prayer are with you, and there are many symptoms of coronavirus. It takes maybe 2 and 14 days after exposure development, and maybe include fever, cough, sore throat, lack of breath, muscle pain. And causes of coronavirus: human first get coronavirus from contact with animal, and now the coronavirus can be separated from person to person. Health official, they don't know what animal causes, and coronavirus is separating from person to person, and such as drop cough, it might be also be a causes by touching something, and an infected person has been touched, and then avoid touching your nose, mouth, eyes, and so how we can avoid from this pandemic? Keep social distancing, avoid people who are sick or meeting in large group, and stay home. If you are sick, cover your cough with tissue, don't cough into your hand, and wash your hand with soap and water with at least 20 seconds, especially often after going bathroom and before eating. If sneezing and coughing, if soap and water are not available, so use of sanitizer with 60% alcohol. Avoid touching your nose, eyes, mouth, and we should avoid unnecessary traveling, and keep safe in yourself and be clean, take a healthy food. As we all know, the condition is very critical about this pandemic, and in the capital of India, Delhi, number of cases is increasing day by day over there, and for that we should pray, and instead of hate we should help them, and stay home, stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.